The recent leak regarding the Google Pixel 9 Pro, just 3 months after the release of the Pixel 8 Pro, has stirred significant excitement in the tech community. OnLeaks, known for their reliable track record, has provided detailed insights into the potential design, display, and features of the upcoming device.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
First and foremost, the leak suggests a radical departure from the design language of the Pixel 6, 7, and 8 series. The iconic curved frame and seamlessly integrated camera module are replaced with a fully flat frame and a distinct camera strip. The display, which was curved on previous models, now appears to be fully flat. Notably, the side bezels seem thinner, providing a sleeker look compared to the Pixel 8 Pro. The frame, slightly curved akin to the iPhone 15, is glossy, deviating from the matte finish seen in recent Apple and Samsung models. While the change in design is significant, the speaker configuration has undergone a transformation. The Pixel 9 Pro features a single speaker grille. Unlike the dual grilles on the 8 Pro, the SIM tray now occupies the space previously allocated to the second speaker, improving the overall aesthetic and potentially the handling comfort. The decision to maintain a single speaker doesn't mean a loss in audio quality, as the left grille on the 8 Pro was for the microphone, still present on the Pixel 9 Pro. Despite the revamped design, the leak indicates that the internal components, including the antenna bands, remain in similar positions to the Pixel 8 Pro. The camera, a focal point for Google's Pixel series, retains its iconic strip, but with refinements inspired by the Pixel 5. While the specifics of camera hardware upgrades remain uncertain, the leak suggests a continuation of the existing camera strip design. An interesting carryover from the Pixel 8 Pro is the temperature sensor, a feature initially criticized for its limited utility. Recent developments revealed that the sensor has received FDA approval, allowing users to measure body temperature. This enhancement adds practical value, especially in times where health monitoring is crucial. The leak also hints at the return of the obsidian black color, consistent with the Pixel 8 Pro. However, caution is advised as CAD-based renders may not accurately represent the final colors. Notably, Google's mid-cycle release of the mint color for the Pixel 8 Pro indicates a willingness to refresh colors outside of the traditional yearly cycle. This raises the possibility of a pure white or even a new green variant for the Pixel 9 Pro. Moving on to the display, a notable change is the move to a fully flat screen, departing from the curved displays seen in the Pixel 6 Pro and 7 Pro. The leak suggests a smaller display at 6.5 inches, potentially aimed at making the device more compact. However, conflicting reports indicate a possible 6.7-inch display, emphasizing the need to await official confirmation. The discussion around a smaller display raises questions about Google's strategy, as consumers often seek larger screens. The potential launch of a Pixel 9 Ultra with a larger screen and enhanced features is speculated, providing users seeking bigger displays an alternative. Lastly, the leak underscores the Apple effect, referring to the evident influence of Apple's design choices on other manufacturers. The Pixel 9 Pro's design, particularly the flat frame, draws parallels with the iPhone 15 Pro. This trend isn't isolated to Google, as Samsung's S24 and S24 Plus also adopt flat frames reminiscent of Apple's design language. While a flat frame may contribute to cost effectiveness, it raises concerns about the tech industry, abandoning its unique identities to emulate Apple. In conclusion, the leaked information about the Google Pixel 9 Pro points towards a significant design overhaul, potential display size adjustments, and the continued influence of Apple's design choices. While some changes are welcomed, the industry's propensity to follow Apple's lead raises questions about innovation and maintaining distinct brand identities. The forthcoming official release will provide a clearer understanding of the Pixel 9 Pro's features and its impact on the competitive smartphone market. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video, like and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.